I'm Skyrim. Lately I've stumbled upon something great to use in the creation kit for your follower. Today we will be making a sneak switch with packages and your reference alias. So the first step to do is just go to your main follower quest. This is mine over here. Then you go to quest aliases and just click your follower. This is mine. Okay, just ignore this big window. Just go to this little cute corner over here. Alias package data. This is the only thing you need. If you have multiple quests and you don't know which reference alias you need to use, just check if player follower say dismiss package is here and just the normal one, player follower package. I made my custom one over here, and as you can see the sneak package is already present in mine. So after you've opened this window, you may go to packages and just search player follower package. Or if you have a custom package already, just duplicate that, just like that. So here we are in the package. The only thing you need to make the follower sneak is over here in flags. It is always sneak. Just click on this and that's done. This is the only thing you need in the package, but you also need a global. So if you didn't know yet, just go to global and you can make a new one and just call it your prefix and then sneak. I already have one, so I'm just going to cancel, but you may click OK. So after you've made your global, you go back to your package and go to conditions. And here you're going to click new and get global value. And then you're going to select your global value. So here we go, get global value, sneak equals 1. Okay, so the package will run if the global value equals 1. If you didn't already, just duplicate the normal one too and don't mess with it. Just put your prefix. So now you do the same without the always sneak. You don't need to select this. This is just a normal follower package, no sneak. And we go to conditions and click new. Get global value. Sneak. Yeah, but this time you're going to put it in a 0. So this package will run if the sneak global equals 0. So if you've done everything right, you have your normal package and your sneak package. Now you go back to your quest. Let's see. Here's my main quest. And you go to your follower alias, and just delete the default follower packages out of your package data. So if you didn't add anything extra, the only package in this stack must be player follower say dismiss package. This is just the standard. Now you go back to your packages and select your sneak package and your normal package. So here's my normal package and my sneak package. You must put sneak above the normal package, because then the sneak will have priority. And that's really important. Because then your follower might always sneak. You can always add more conditions, but this is the easiest way. Okay, so that's done. You are going to click OK. I'm just going to cancel because I've already done this. So you've added your packages. It must be done, right? We need a way to, we need a way to toggle it. And I love player dialogue. Who doesn't? It's the best. So in the player dialogue, you're going to create a new branch ID. So your prefix, sneak, toggle, whatever. So this is a new branch idea. So you've made a branch and now we're going to add a topic. Sneak whatever. Okay. And in this topic you are going to add a new dialogue option. So the topic text will be please sneak for now. My follower will say okay, got it. And they will sneak. In the conditions you will need get global value, your sneak global equals 0. Then the dialogue option will show up if it isn't toggled already. And in the scripts you will need YourGlobalValueHere.SetValue 1. So let me show you how to do this real quick. You just put a semicolon, the smiley face without the mouth. You will compile. You'll click OK to close it and let CK think for a bit. You open it again and then you go to properties. You're going to add a property, global variable, and your sneak global. So whatever you named your sneak global, you're just going to put in here. And if CK didn't recognize it automatically, you can pick your global in here. So as you can see, the property name for mine is SU04 sneak. So we need to put this property in the script. So my name is su04 sneak.setValue 1. And that's all you need. And you press compile. I'm just going to delete this because I don't want any duplicates. But you also need a way to switch it back. So we're going to do copy with yours. Here it is. In the prompt you will say something like stop sneaking, and you're going to change the response text to okay, done. In the conditions you'll need to change the global value equals 1, because then this one will show up if they are sneaking. And then in the script you're just going to put it in a 0, just to reset it. You are going to click compile and done. That should be it. Let's test it in game. Please sneak for now. Okay, got it. Let's continue. Okay, there you go. She's sneaking. Whatever I do, she will be sneaking. And let's see if it works the other way around. We're done sneaking around. Okay. There you go, it's all done. It's reset. Well, that's all. I hope this works for you too, and if it doesn't, feel free to leave a comment. I can always help you further. See you all next time, okay? Bye!